Ciao e benvenuto. I'm Eben and this is Texas Motorbike Adventures. So haven't had to ride my bike too much the last couple of weeks. It's been way too hot. But I was coming back from Dallas about 3 weeks ago and ended up hit a little plastic road thing. They were doing some construction and it slapped my bike and broke the front knuckle guard and everything, and so I'm gonna replace it. And at the same time, I have some other Evotech stuff, so I figured I would replace it with the Evotech brush guard stuff, which is really cool. Metal, in case anything ever hits that thing again, it's plastic and it's not gonna break it. So when I was looking at everything, I see that it hit the master cylinder here for the brake lever and bent all of this. So I've been wanting to get some new billeted clutch and brake lever, which is pretty cool. So I guess I'll just replace these because I have that stuff is all bent up or whatever. So doesn't look like it's going to be too insane to try to replace it, but that's bent, so we'll just go ahead and do that at the same time. So I'll take some pictures and be able to document this process of replacing the knuckle guard and then putting on the aftermarket Evotech pieces. So, okay, hope everybody's doing well, staying cool. It's been hot as hell outside. It's pretty warm right now. So, Texas in summer, what are you going to do? Anyways, everybody take care. Ciao. Okay, that was pretty easy, no problem. Little bit of here and there just to get everything to work right and all that. It's always something with putting aftermarket things on bikes and, making sure everything fits right and it's tight and all that stuff. But looks really good, no problem. Worst part of it is probably 101 degrees outside, so trying to avoid all of that as often as possible. So hope everyone's staying cool, doing well. Take care, and we'll see you with the next thing. I'm going to have to do some more stuff. So, ciao.